Hey everyone, welcome back to the Elegancepreneur channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: how to start a cleaning business in Texas. Whether you're looking to be your own boss, make extra income, or build a full-time business, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Let's get started. Step 1. Research and planning. Before you jump in, it's important to understand the cleaning industry in Texas. Ask yourself, what type of cleaning services do you want to offer? Residential, commercial, or both? Who's your target market? Busy families, offices, or Airbnb hosts? What's your competition like in your area? Take some time to research local demand, pricing, and what makes your business unique. A solid plan will set you up for success. Step 2. Legal requirements. In Texas, you'll need to choose a business structure. Decide if you want to operate as a sole proprietorship, LLC, or corporation. An LLC is great for liability protection. Register your business file with the Texas Secretary of State and get your business name registered. Get an EIN, apply for an Employer Identification Number (EIN) from the IRS. It's free and essential for taxes. Check local permits. Some cities in Texas may require specific licenses for cleaning businesses, so check with your local government. Don't worry, it sounds like a lot, but it's straightforward once you break it down. Step 3. Gather your supplies and equipment. You don't need to break the bank to get started. Here's a basic list. Cleaning solutions like all-purpose glass and disinfectant, microfiber cloths, mops, and sponges, a vacuum cleaner and trash bags. And don't forget protective gear like gloves and masks. As you grow, you can invest in more advanced equipment, but start simple and affordable. Step 4. Set your pricing. Pricing is key to attracting clients while making a profit. Research what other cleaning businesses in your area charge. On average, residential cleaning can range from $100 to $200 per job. Commercial cleaning may charge $25 to $50 per hour. Consider offering packages or discounts for first-time clients to stand out. Step 4. Set your pricing. Pricing is key to attracting clients while making a profit. Research what other cleaning businesses in your area charge. On average, residential cleaning can range from $100 to $200 per job. Commercial cleaning may charge $25 to $50 per hour. Consider offering packages or discounts for first-time clients to stand out. Step 5. Market your business. You've got the basics. Now it's time to find clients. Here are some cost-effective strategies. Create a website or social media page. Show off your services, pricing, and contact info. Leverage word of mouth. Ask friends, family, and neighbors to spread the word. Use online platforms. List your business on Google, My Business, Yelp, or even local Facebook groups. Offer promotions. A discount for first-time clients can help you build a loyal customer base. Remember, consistency is key. Keep putting yourself out there. And that's it. Starting a cleaning business in Texas is totally doable with the right plan and mindset. To recap, research and plan your business. Handle the legal requirements. Gather your supplies. Set competitive pricing. Market like a pro. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss more tips on building your dream business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe for more business tips.